So you might be having the iPhone black screen of death. This is probably one of the most dreaded problems for iPhone users. No matter what you do, like swiping the screen or pressing buttons, the screen doesn't come on. And your iPhone might still be functioning and make sounds, but the screen is still black. The most common causes are hardware problems. This could happen if you accidentally drop your phone or get your phone wet. Or it could be software problems. It could happen if you didn't finish an install or software update. One cause could be a dead battery, or it could be a bad application that's installed on your phone that causes software problems, or it could be a damaged screen. So I'll show you one way that fixed my iPhone is a forced restart. So one thing you can do if you have an iPhone 13 or 14, so the first thing you do is press the volume up button once and volume down button once, and then you hold the power button. And then you should see an Apple logo come on. If it doesn't come on, then it could be the battery. What you can do is charge it for like a half hour or an hour and then try it again. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. If it didn't, then leave a comment. I'll try to come up with a solution and I'll create another video. So make sure you subscribe so you receive a notification when I post the video.